Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be bringing you the unboxing of the February 2026 Grabie box, the Flavor Folio. So this is the complete scrapbooking subscription box. I'm going to show you everything that comes in here. You can subscribe and save a little money, or you can purchase just the boxes that you like. We've got this big stack of some doilies, these cute little orange slice notepads. This little envelope has some die cuts that are some, I would call, fancy dishes, like plates and some silverware, so you can do some place settings in your junk journals. This is really cool this month. It's a little DIY 3D display that you can make. It comes with all the supplies. And then the main event, the Cutout and Stick It collage book, that this year at least is coming in every box. I will say as well, you can purchase just the collage book if that's what you're wanting. This year, they're also doing the giveaways with these magnetic bookmarks. All right, so I'm just going to do a quick sped up flip through so you can see all the wonderful stickers and die cuts and all sorts of fun things, papers, vellums that are in this collage book. I love the idea of the books because you have your theme, you can store it easily on the shelf and just flip through and pull out what you want. Look at these fun papers, all the different pieces of a hamburger. I love that. So lots of fun things in this book. Again, you can use my code Cindy15 to save on either subscriptions, purchasing just the collage books, or any Grabie supplies. Again, lots of fun things, papers, cutouts, stickers in these books. All the pages, by the way, are perforated for easily removing them. And then you get all these other goodies if you get the complete scrapbook subscription box. Well, thanks so much. As long as they still have them in stock, you can still get this collage book and this scrapbook box. Stay tuned. I will be bringing the March 2026 Grabie subscription box very soon. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.